Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Canva designs interactive, so that when someone clicks on one of your images, they're instantly taken to your website, shop, or social media, then you're in exactly the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the super simple steps to add a clickable link to an image in Canva 2025. Whether you're working on a product collection, a presentation, or an eye-catching banner, by the end of this video, you'll know how to make your images work even smarter for you. Let's get started. First things first, imagine you have a design. Maybe it's a banner featuring your latest fashion collection or a presentation highlighting different services you offer. The goal here is pretty straightforward. When people view your design, you want them to be able to click directly on one of the images and go straight to your website or wherever you want to send them. So with your design open in Canva, find the image you want to make clickable. For example, if you have a row of shirts and dresses and you want each shirt to link to its own product page, just click to select one of the shirt images. Now here where the magic really starts. Right-click on that image. You'll see a menu pop up. This is where Canva keeps a lot of its special tools. From that menu, look for the option that just says link. Go ahead and click on it. You'll see a little text box where you can paste the URL you want people to visit, like your shop page or even your Instagram. You can use any link you want, really. The important thing is to copy and paste it carefully so the link works correctly. If you're someone who loves adding extra details, you can repeat these steps for multiple images, creating a fully interactive design. And don't worry if you miss the right image or want to change the link later on. You can always click and edit links after. Once your links are set, the next part is sharing or presenting your design so the links are actually clickable. This is a step some people overlook, so let's pay close attention. Up in the top right corner of Canva, you'll see the share button. Go ahead and click on that. From the sharing menu, look for the option called present. This is almost like putting your design on stage so others can use it exactly as you meant it to be used. Click on Present, and if there's another pop-up or a second button that also says Present, just click that too. Now your design is in presentation mode, just like a slideshow. In this mode, try clicking on the picture you added the link to. You'll notice the cursor changes, sometimes even underlining the image or showing a little hand. Go ahead and give it a click. You should be taken straight to the website or link you added earlier. If it opens in a new tab, that means it's working perfectly. This is super helpful for portfolios, online boutiques, event posters, or educational handouts, you name it. If something doesn't quite work the first time, don't worry. Double check that you link the image and not just a background, and make sure your URL doesn't have any typos. Sometimes reloading the presentation helps as well. And there you have it. You've just made your Canva images clickable, turning static designs into interactive experiences. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another feature you want to see next. Make sure to subscribe for more easy Canva tips and creative guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.